Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Diki Setiawan, and I'm gonna presentation PowerPoint based on article. The title is "The Use of Cartoon Films to Improve Student Skill to Writing Narrative Text." Okay, let's the next slide. The list of content is the first is the background, second is the research objective, next is research methodology, the fourth is findings, and the last is conclusions. And in this article, the author is the name is Pipit Komaladewi. In the context of this article is study conducted at SNP N1 Sidoarjo, Sragen, Indonesia. Okay, let's move into the next slide. First, background. Writing is essential for mastering English, but often challenging for students. That's really hard to understand. Understanding the writing because the key issues is in the my identified key issues is the lack of vocabulary. The next is poor grammar, low low motivation, poor grammar, spelling, and organization. The next is low motivation due to monotonous teaching methods. So, teachers always teaching the student that's very monotonous and so that is so boring. Next is research objective. And the research objective is, next slide. We, in this article, to determine if cartoon films improve student narrative writing skill. And the first point is to assess the effectiveness of cartoon films in searching narrative text. And in the next research is, next slide, research methodology. Okay, let's go into the next. Okay, before the next slide, we in the research objective, effectiveness of cartoon films in teaching narrative text is that's so really useful to students. That is entertaining students to understanding the narrative text with the cartoon films. That is our research objective in this article. The next is research methodology. Research methodology, and this method is the classroom action research, and the collection of data is qualitative, is the first observation, interviews, and the quantitative, and the pre-test and post-test. And the participant is the class 7B students of SMPN1 Sidoarjo Sragen. And the last slide is finding. And the next slide is to improvement in writing skill. We must, in the first point is better vocabulary use. The second is improve grammar, spelling, and capitalization. And the third, ability to organize ideas into coherent paragraph. The effectiveness in this way, it is increase motivation and attention. The second is more engaging learning empowerment. And the scores about the pre-test is 6177, and the post-test is post-test 1, the point is 70, 60, 66. And the post test 2 is 70, 74, 90. So, the conclusion, the conclusion all about this article and this presentation is in the next slide. Okay. In this conclusion, cartoon films more effectively improve student narrative skills. The second is enhances learning experience through audiovisual stimuli. So, cartoons really help students to understand what is narrative text with the writing skill, to help student writing and to understand about the what is narrative text in English. So, if you want to improve your narrative writing skill, you can use cartoon film to improve student. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.